guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is my Glinda costume. So if you remember this dress, it actually doesn't really fit me. I bought it on clearance without trying it on, so that's shame on me, but it was $10. Basically, actually let me go get it. As you can see, it doesn't fully close. It's really cute and it's, you know, a good goal because it's almost there. Also my boobs. But yeah, it doesn't close, so I can't wear this as my Glinda outfit, so I bought some backups. So I went to Target online and there were some clearance items. Again, I should probably read what's the return process for this in case they don't fit, but I did measure even though I ordered them online. One's a skirt and the other is a top. The skirt is actually a really cute like eyelet skirt, and this one I did get it in a bigger size because I measured, so technically because of my hips I am an extra large, and this is the skirt. Oh, it looks kind of big. The skirt is actually a pullover, so I'm actually glad I got it. At first it looks big, but you know what, if I have to pull it over and there's no zippers, this is a good size. So it does fit. I'm glad I got the size. I first online didn't like the length, but as I look at it, I actually really do like this length. I was gonna just trim this extra over and just have it like right here, which I might still do. We'll see. But this skirt looks pretty good. I like it. Something I bought, which was also, it was on clearance, but it was on sale. It was just a plain little crop top tee. It's not exactly the same shade of the skirt, but I think you can play around with the pinks. Let's see. So this is the crop top with the skirt. I'm not sure if I love it. Looking at it up close, it's actually not that bad. It's a little more relaxed than I would like for a costume, but it's okay. So overall, not upset because this was like, I don't know, under $10, I want to say $8. The skirt was $17, and this one I can also like reuse for something because it's really actually really cute. The length is still questionable. I may trim it, but then I bought this a while back, like when the first Wicked came out, so I can wear this with the bag and use my little Wicked accessories. I had gotten at the time, the first time they did the whole cute things at the dollar section of Target, the crown and the wand. So you can put this with it. It'll be cute. I like it. So I'll admit, I'm not really sure how you're gonna keep this on my head. We'll figure out. Maybe some bobby pins with this, the crown, and this little one. We're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work, right? Ah! This didn't come in the Target package. I just ended up seeing it. So do we like the pink shirt on top, or should I wear this? I like the Glinda on the side. It is surprisingly for the shirt, it is a medium. And I'm just like, wow, this is a little big. I would have to really tie it, which I'm not against, so we'll see. But it has hair in the back. Yeah, I'm not sure. Do you like the pink shirt combo or this one? This one makes it more, not really a costume, but just like, hey, I'm here. Be grateful I came to the party. But yeah, do you like this version? Or what version do you like? Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. And then I did buy in one more outfit, so potential Glinda costume, so stay tuned. As always, I'm just Joss'n. Bye.